Hello, and welcome to a new episode of this JPAD Modeller tutorial series. During this video, we will explore the contents of the landing gear input data section. The JPAD Modeller landing gears component provides a global data section, where you can assign all the main parameters and dimensions that define landing gears layout. Then, there are two additional sections to configure the front and rear wheels data in terms of their height and width. A special remark must be made concerning three main parameters: the uncompressed leg length parameter, the gear compression factor, and the wheel track. In fact, these three parameters allow to check if the landing gear is able to provide for an adequate aircraft rotation angle on the ground, and to check for a correct retraction in case of retractable landing gears. In particular, the main uncompressed leg length parameter can be either assigned or calculated by specifying the desired aircraft rotation angle. By clicking on the double arrow at the top of the landing gears section, you will open a new tab at the right of your screen. In this tab, you will be able to select between different 2D drawings. One drawing will show the rotation angle that can be achieved by the aircraft. Another drawing will show the main landing gears retraction in case of retractable landing gears. These drawings come in handy if you want to have a quick feedback on the feasibility of your landing gears design. Eventually, you can save each chart in different file formats by simply right-clicking on them. The lower part of this tab contains a data log, which will provide you with a summary of all input data and derived data related to the landing gears component. The next video will show some practical examples of aircraft update. So, see you there.